Now our next module is very important module which we call as SEO, also called as search engine optimization. As I told you, this digital marketing journey started with SEO only. SEO, search engine optimization, where every day every person searches for information in search engines, right? Any person want information, they go and search for that search engines. And every company today, they want their business, whatever the products they are marketing, whatever their services they are marketing, they wanted to see in top visible positions actually. So this is the most important topic in digital marketing. See, nowadays, like a lot of companies, agencies who tell we do digital marketing, majority they do spend time in the PPC or SMO, social media. But very few companies today assure that, yeah, we do confidently search engine optimization, because search engine optimization is not a plus B whole square formula. We can't give any 100% assurance to any company that I can rank your particular website to top position. So this is a very much important topic. So you must learn. So what are the topics we are going to learn in SEO is, see, anyway, introduction for SEO, I will give what are search engines, how search engines will function, how search engines will visit your website, how they collect the data, and how where they are storing your data, and how they are displaying in search results, that all we'll understand. So next, the key important topic in SEO is keyword placement. What is this keyword placement? Is that whenever we wanted to bring a particular website to top position, we generally do a keyword research actually. So keyword research is the most important heart of SEO. So in that particular keyword research, we generally try to identify what are the best keywords for a particular website. So we will identify what are the best top website keywords which will generate traffic. See, here what is most important thing we need to understand in keyword research is, certain clients need more traffic, and they may not be needing much of a conversion. Like traffic is more important for them, like particularly news websites are there. Most important thing is that more visitors must be coming to that particular website. But there are certain websites, traffic will never be as how people are visiting for news website, they will not be visiting, or they may not be needing those many visitors also. But the most important thing is conversion part actually. So they are only purely looking for conversion, but like B2B, business to business websites, normally like business to customer website, how many visitors are coming, those many visitors will not be there for B2B. So you need to identify the client, what kind of product it is, what kind of service it is. He is only purely looking for conversion base, or he is looking for traffic, or he is looking for both. We have to identify. Based on that, we will be doing keyword research. So in this keyword SEO subject, we are going to discuss what are the Google trends. We'll be discussing about Google Webmaster Tools. We will also see competitive analysis, how our competitors are doing SEO, what is their keyword strategies, how effectively they are using keywords. We will try to use them. And moreover, we also need to understand how our traffic is coming. So what is the existing traffic for the website, and how can we improve traffic? So to analyze this, we need to work on web analytics actually. Google Analytics is a wonderful tool where we'll discuss about that tool, and all the on-page optimization factors we'll be discussing. SEO content writing and rewriting strategies we'll be understanding. And as I told you, web analytics, when we are talking, there are not only Google Analytics is there, there are other tools also, but we will see how we need to install. See, because when you are using WordPress, there may be other tools also where they will be tracking traffic actually, but majority we will be trying to use Google, because Google is the site which will give the complete perfect insight, how traffic is coming, how much time they are spending, from which country they are visiting, everything Google can give us, and that too it's free of cost actually. So and also we will be discussing about white hat and black hat SEO techniques. See, white hat is what which is ethical SEO, black hat which we call it as unethical SEO. So we will discuss about white hat, black hat SEO, anchor text, link generations, search engine algorithms, Google updates. See, yeah, Google will never keep the same updates actually, same algorithm actually. See, that's the reason we always tell your rankings are not permanent. So from time to time they'll be keep on changing, and SEO is a continuous job. So that's the reason I always tell SEO is like a petrol. As long you have a vehicle, you need to keep the petrol, right? Same like that. As long you are having website, you need a SEO consultant actually. So SEO consultant has to be working as long the business exists. So if you are learning SEO subject, as long the company is there, your job is there. Your job is secured actually. Next is domain registration, hosting planning, how to choose the domain, where to host your website. Do we need to host in Indian servers? Do we need to host in US servers? Or where exactly we have to host? What are the strategies in that? We will try to understand, and we will also need to know the SEO strategies for local and global customers. See, there may be a client who is expecting traffic within India only, or there may be a client who is expecting only traffic only from Hyderabad only. Or see, like say there is a restaurant in particular place in Hyderabad, in one particular area, in particular one particular pin code. Very rare people from other state will come and visit every day to come and visit that particular food items, right? So normally his concentration will be the people who are located in nearby location. So this is kind of local customer base, but we are talking about global customers. Suppose like myhelalu.com is there, or indiatemplesinfo.com is there, or tipsoninterview.in is there. I need global audience actually. Those websites are targeting global audience. Raven Technologies, any person from anywhere in the world, he wanted to do any software course, they can come and visit my site. So depending upon the client, you have to do SEO, and SEO strategies must be planned properly. Okay, so most important SEO strategies is, as I told you, if you go to search engine and anyone is typing, uh, as I told you, like famous, like I'm typing Hindu temples in Kokatpalli. Famous Hindu temples in Kokatpalli, when I typed here. So this is one particular place. We can see Just Dial, YouTube, Instagram, all these websites are coming. See, can you see here India Temples Info? This is my website. So it is ranking in the first page. So not only with this keyword, this particular website we can plan to bring in top position with even other keywords also. This is not one particular keyword we are targeting in this particular page. See, ancient Hindu temples in Kukatpalli. Okay, let's check whether it is coming. Ancient Hindu temples in Kokatpalli. If I type ancient Hindu temples in Kokatpalli, you can see this is a local business center where these temples are coming. So Just Dial is there, and Just Dial is there. Now IndiaTemplesInfo.com, it is in the third position. So, so for famous Hindu temples, it is in the ninth position. For ancient temples, it is in the third position. So like that, in a particular web page, it's not a website. In a particular web page, how many keywords we can target is, we may be targeting 3 to 4 keywords or 5 keywords depending upon the competitiveness of that particular keyword. So I will be teaching you what are all the strategies, how to select the proper keywords and all. This is one kind of example I just showed it to you. So this is what all you are going to learn in this SEO subject, search engine optimization subject. Okay, so this is the most important topic in digital marketing what we are going to learn. Okay, next The next module is PPC pay per click module.